So today, I got to get out low to show you this one. There's a big, huge oak tree right here, not even 10 feet from the driveway. We're at this home. This house has been here since the 70s. This driveway's probably been here since the 80s or 90s. But look, it's jacked all up. And the reason it's jacked all up is because there's a huge oak tree right here. We got to keep in mind when we're laying out our driveways, concretes, asphalt, any of those kind of things, that if we have a big tree, that tree is only going to get bigger. That tree has roots, and those roots expand far out beyond just the base of the tree. And this particular client here, they've got these big old knots in their asphalt. The problem is there's absolutely nothing you can do about it, because if you cut down the tree, you can get rid of the roots. But the other is you got to get there's asphalt here, right? So you would have to dig all this asphalt up, cut the tree down, dig the asphalt up, and re-pour it to have a smooth driveway. So when you're out there laying out your landscape, you got to think about the future, how big things are going to get, where they're going to grow, how they're going to grow, and then keep that in mind, because this is a beautiful driveway. This is a beautiful oak tree. They just happen to both be in the same space, and they're competing, and Mother Nature will always win when it comes to the competition. Hope this helps.